Okay, hey guys, so yes, I'm here wild. Just a little quick beginning chat to let you guys know what I'm about to do. So I'm not going to like record my parting process because I know how I am, and that will be a lot of footage to edit. But I am just going to be sectioning my hair to help me be able to really part a little better. I am going to be doing some jumbo knotless. I will be leaving some hair out for baby hairs. But yeah, other than that, you guys are going to see what I'm going to do. I won't be doing all of my plaits on camera, but I will come back and show my method once I get it back going. I did do some knotless plaits a year ago, and I do have a previous video on my channel of me doing knotless braids and how you can use 3 different techniques to get it in. So if I don't go too detailed with this video, you guys can check out my previous video from like a year ago, and it does go in depth and kind of give you like tips and stuff. But for this video, I'm just trying to get these knotless plaits back in my head. Like, I'm feeling a vibe. Like, I don't know if I should do the Coily Ray braids, if I should do like Diera braids, but it's gonna be given some of that, all right? But let's just get into it. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, stay tuned to see me go ahead and slay these braids the do-it-yourself way. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel while you're here, you know. Thank you, please. My hair is growing, y'all see that? It's growing, it's growing. Maybe I should just rock the fro for a few days. Yeah, nah, let's just, you know, get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we are back, and my mom helped me to part my parts. I would have filmed it, but she didn't want to get on camera. So I have 12 sections currently in my hair. This hair will be left out for like me to swoop in my my braids. So that's how that's looking. I'm not doing the rubber band method. That's just what I'm doing to keep my hair kind of sectioned off. And I'm just about to look at it real quick before I start. Yeah, I'm fine with that. All right, but yeah, today I have Shine Jam. It's Murray's Edge Wax with caffeine in it. Picked this up at Walmart. It's the Edge Fixer Max Hold in Peach. It smells so good. My Camille Rose honey for my leave-in. So I'm going to work on my back section, and I'll be back when I get to the front, because again, I do have another video showing how to do this, and it's really hard to do braids on camera. I'm so sorry. I mean, I'm not a professional. I do what I can and make it look good on my head, and that's what I'm about to do. So I'll be right back. Okay, so a quick check-in. I am halfway done with my hair. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the ends yet, but it's 11 o'clock. But this is how we're looking so far. I already did my baby hairs. Yeah, I do them backwards because that's how they kind of curl. My hair curls that way. But you guys see how we're looking. I will come back when I get to this one to like show you guys how I did it, but that's how we look it. Okay, so I am to like the front part of my hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys with this one and with this one what I do. But I use my choice of edge control for my parting perimeter, and I just put that on it. I put my leave-in on my ends, and I just kind of work that through, section it up in 3 sections, and I literally just start it like a regular plait. I tie it tight, and then I stop. Now, I'm the type of person, if it's loose like that, I'm just gonna redo it because I want it pulling from the scalp. I'm also gonna add a little bit more of my edge control and comb that out. And I want this to lay like this, so I need to comb it kind of in the direction that I need to start plaiting it to kind of help. Like, let me see how I did this one. Yeah. Like, you can kind of know if you need more edge control, because you see how like there's like a little humpy right there. That's because I didn't apply enough, because I want these to be sleek. Okay, now we see the difference, and then I'm gonna redo my 3 sections, pull it, and then stop. So that's a little better. I like how that is looking from this direction. Piece. I'm weird. I do my index and my middle finger, and then I just take it and pull it through and connect it to 2 pieces. So you guys can see that right there. And then right here, that needed to be a little tighter. There we go. Okay, now on to this one. Now I'll do this one off camera. I kept this clip in to show you guys how your braid could look if you don't start your plait right, or if you don't comb it out right. It's gonna look lumpy and just kind of clumpy. And to not do that, honestly, if you just keep trying to get your grip right and pull it a little tighter, it won't do that. But I personally didn't like how that looked, so I took it out and I recombed it to make sure it's gonna lay how I want it to. And if this happens to you, don't get frustrated. Just, you know, try it again, because we are doing our hair ourselves and it's not gonna be perfect, but it can get close to how we want it. So I'm on the way to work. I really feel like I may do like a on the way to work vlog one day because I drive like 30 minutes to work every day, and I'm hitting little bumps in the road. But yeah, this is how we're looking post sleep.